Fashion in the United States is becoming more inclusive than ever, and global creators are helping drive that change. One influencer gaining international attention is Julia Mary. Is a German plus-size fashion creator. Julia Mary is known for her modern fashion sense and confident personal style. She creates content and highlights how fashion can be expressive, comfortable, and accessible for different body types. Her approach connects strongly with audience who value authenticity and real world style. Her fashion content includes everyday outfits with a modern look, curvy friendly and wearable styles, clean confident presentation. She proves that style is about how you wear clothes, not about fitting into a specific size. Julia also promotes a positive and balanced mindset. Her content encourages confidence, self respect, and feeling comfortable in your own skin. Values that resonate strongly with USA audience. Through her work, Julia Mary has inspired people across different countries to see fashion as a form of personal empowerment. She represents a growing global shift toward inclusivity in the fashion space. That's a quick look at Julia Mary's story. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and check out more influencer biographies.